It's been 6 months since I first reviewed the CarPodGo T3 Pro, and I'm happy to report that it is still all good with this device. The performance I praised initially has held up, and in fact it's only gotten better thanks to new firmware updates. So in today's video I'll be reviewing this device once again, which was sent out to me by CarPodGo themselves, but this time we will see how good it really is, test out the new firmware features particularly related to Android Auto, and see how it has fared over the past few months, and whether you should order one for yourself or not. So let's get started. My initial use case was a Skoda Rapid, which being over 10 years old had no CarPlay and the perfect solution because swapping the factory head unit is an often complicated and expensive process. So let's quickly recap the features that made the CarPodGo T3 Pro a winner from day one. It is the only portable device in the market offering 60 FPS wireless CarPlay. The performance is buttery with quick response times and zero noticeable lag. Most users, including me, use the pure Bluetooth display mode. The audio comes through the Bluetooth in your car speakers as normal, while the screen handles the visuals. It works seamlessly with your car steering wheel buttons and built-in microphone. This is super handy because you don't have to swap any complex speaker or microphone systems. Visually, it's quite sleek. The full lamination screen looks premium and the all-black finish reduces glare. Setting it up was an absolute breeze. You plug it into your 12V socket connecting 2 cables and that's it. It's the fastest setup I've seen from a portable screen, taking just 12 seconds after powering on. The display resolution is at a crisp 1920 by 720. At 720 nits of brightness, this thing stays perfectly visible, even in direct sunlight. You can even add a reverse camera, which this kit came with. If your car doesn't already have one, this is a great bonus as it could save you hundreds comparing to retrofitting a factory unit. Now, I didn't get round to installing this myself, but it is definitely something I'll be doing down the line. This eliminates the need for you to mount your phone while driving, which majorly reduces distractions and keeps your dashboard clutter-free. However, things have only gotten better over the past few months, as CarPodGo focused heavily on improving the Android connection stability. They fixed multiple issues reported by users and enhanced the overall responsiveness. The experience with Android phones is now significantly smoother. Crucially, features such as Android Voice Assistant also work properly after the update. All firmware updates are publicly available, and they continue to maintain the Reddit community to support users. There honestly wasn't much to complain about it initially, and with the improved Android stability, it's an even better value proposition. The only issue initially was the mount not synced to the dashboard properly, but this was fixed by simply using a different mount and cleaning the surface properly. The CarPodGo T3 Pro is an excellent add-on for vehicles, especially if replacing your car's OEM radio is too expensive or complicated. It performs just as well, if not better, than some built-in systems that I've used in the past. Hell, even some 2025 cars don't perform as well as this. If you're looking to upgrade your car's technology, this is one of the cleanest and most user-friendly ways to do it. It's easy to set up and even easier to use. And best of all, if you're selling the car or getting rid of it, you can easily remove it. Thank you once again to CarPodGo for letting me review their product. I strongly recommend you buy it, and while you're ordering it, save yourself a cool $50 off your order with my exclusive affiliate discount link and use the code TheFerrariGuy. The link is in the description. So what do you think of this tool? Do you think this is a cool mod for your car? And will you be ordering it soon? Christmas is just around the corner. And let me know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon for future uploads. And finally, thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you all very soon.